Hello, grade fours. It's me, Mr. Hacking, just checking in. I'm not here today. You've got a substitute teacher today, but while I'm away, I wanted to do the following things. I heard that you had an amazing trip to Neusiedlersee last week, and now it's time for you to share it. I want you to be kind of like the trip reviewer or the tour guide for your trip to Neusiedlersee, and you're going to use Google Earth today to find that to do that. All right, and this video is intended to show you how to access Google Earth and how to put pins into the map of where you were, and to show you also just generally what I expect of your job as a tour guide. So let's follow along. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your applications folder, and then you're going to go to scroll to Google Earth, and we let that warm up. You might have something like this that pops up on your screen. Just close it. Don't need it. And I think this looks pretty familiar to you. This is the beginning screen of the Google Earth. Now, it makes sense to start with the place that you arrived at, maybe in Neusiedlersee. So up here in the search bar up there, you can just type in the place that you started at. So I think it was the Seewinkel Hotel, and so I just copied it in there, and I'm going to press search. And when I press search, it's thinking, and it's going to take us right down there. Okay, there we go. It might bring you up quite close, but still not close enough. You see the little pinpoint there, you know that's the right place. If you need to move closer, which I think you will, on the right hand side you should have this little arrow plus sign and the minus sign. When you click the plus sign, it brings you closer towards the ground, and when you click minus, it obviously brings you up closer to the sky. So we're going to fly on down there. Flying down, 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 and I'm assuming that this would have been the place that you stayed at with your grade 4 students. Alright, so that would be an exciting place, a good place to start with your tour. What I want you to do in all the places that you visited in Neusiedlersee is to add a place mark. And to add a place mark, I think you've done this before already, but we've got that nice bright yellow thumbtack at the top, and you click on it, and there we go. You see that it's automatically put the place mark down. You can move it right over top there just by clicking and dragging. And we want to give that title, that place mark a title. So right here in this place mark box, you're going to put the name of the hotel. So it's the Hotel Seewinkel. And here, I'd want you to add some descriptions. What is this building? Why is it important? What did you do here? Great, and then you just press OK. So the next time somebody comes along, or when I come to review it, I can just click on it, and there we go. We can see that you've got your description in there, and that would be fantastic. Okay, so I know what you did there. Then I'm assuming that you did a lot of bike riding and touring around Neusiedlersee. So we're going to go around Neusiedlersee, and hopefully you can remember with the bird's eye view where you've been. So you can go along the pathway here, but just by clicking and dragging with the little hand tool. And perhaps, maybe perhaps you took a bike ride over here. And you know what this place is, possibly. And you stop, and you put a little place mark in there. I have no idea. Maybe this place looks kind of like a compound of some sorts. I don't know. Maybe it's a learning center. And again, what is this place? What did you do here? And then you press OK. When you are finished, I'm sure you're going to have a few points. You've been there for a few days, so I'm sure there's a lot of places that you explored. Doesn't have to be buildings. You can also, if you remember biking through some bike paths in the forest that were significant, you can put place marks in the forest for places that you stopped off at. All right. But when you're finished, what I want you to do is I want you to save. So you just go easily, File, Save, and Save My Places. File. Actually, sorry, Save Place As. Apologies. Save Place As. And assuming that you're logged into the server, you can connect to the server and just say Mr. Hacking's visit or Mr. Hacking's tour. Okay, and you just press save, and it's done. All right, that's it. Then you can close off and shut down the computers. All right. Hopefully, have a good afternoon. Take care. Bye bye.